2025 is shaping up to be an eventful year with significant global moments that promise to capture the world's attention. Here are 5 key events and trends to keep an eye on. 1. Trump 2.0 January 20, 2025 will mark Donald Trump's return to the White House as the 47th President of the United States. Following a victory against Kamala Harris, Trump's inauguration symbolizes a controversial new chapter for America and global politics. With a bold cabinet that includes names like Elon Musk and Robert F. Kennedy Jr., Trump's second term is expected to focus on policies like mass deportations and curbing transgender rights. As he aims to make America great again, the world will be watching to see how his leadership impacts international relations, climate policies, and social dynamics. 2. The climate tipping point. Could 2025 be the year greenhouse gas emissions finally peak? Global efforts to combat climate change hinge on reducing carbon emissions, especially from major polluters like China. Researchers predict a potential plateau in fossil fuel-based CO2 emissions. However, experts stress that a peak is just the beginning. Rapid reductions are critical for carbon neutrality. This pivotal moment could define global climate strategy for decades. 3. Football frenzy. The world of football is bracing for an action-packed year. The expanded Club World Cup and an extended Champions League season will test players' endurance. With 32 clubs in the summer's tournament and a growing trend of high-profile matches, the sport faces issues like player burnout and controversies over VAR technology. The shadow of Saudi Arabia's influence in football continues to grow as it prepares for the 2034 World Cup, transforming the game financially and culturally. 4. Kumbh Mela. The largest gathering of humanity, the Kumbh Mela, will return to Prayagraj, India, from January to February 2025. An estimated 400 million people will gather at the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna, and mythical Saraswati rivers. This UNESCO-recognized event is a spiritual spectacle, drawing millions seeking moksha, or liberation. With a history of massive crowds and logistical challenges, the Kumbh Mela is a testament to India's rich cultural heritage and faith-driven resilience. 5. Oasis and BTS comebacks. Two iconic musical groups, Oasis and BTS, are set to dominate global headlines with their much-anticipated returns. Oasis will embark on a world tour after a 15-year hiatus, rekindling the Britpop magic of the 90s. Fans can expect hits like Wonderwall and Champagne Supernova to take center stage once more. BTS, the K-pop sensation, will reunite in June 2025 after completing their mandatory military service. Their return is expected to elevate South Korea's cultural exports, delighting millions of fans worldwide. 2025 will undoubtedly be a year of global milestones, cultural moments, and transformative changes. Stay tuned for updates and insights as these events unfold.